So hi guys, welcome back. I didn't drop a video last week. I couldn't tell you guys about what we had last week. I'm very sorry. Now we're back this week. I'm not going to waste your time. We have very few pairs this week to trade, so it's not even gonna take your time. Just run through it. And guys, we just launched our new Telegram group, our new Telegram channel for free signals. So do well to check the description below for the link. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to check it out, and you will see that we've just been killing it in there. We opened it last week and we'll be killing it. So let's hope that we can keep killing it to the end of the year. So yeah, we're gonna dive into these pairs right now. Well, what do we have? What do we have? What do we do? On GBP USD, we have the first pair we have on our list this week is GBP USD. I really love the way it is looking. I love that the weekly time frame is bullish. Weekly time frame is very much bullish, and we have this. I'm sorry. Wait, let me move this. Yeah, move this. Yeah, let me take this out here. I'm so sorry. I think I'll move myself up here. Move this out so I can get this here, and yeah. We're good now. Yes. So, what am I talking about? I like this bullish. I like this left hair right shoulder on the weekly time frame. I love this left hair right shoulder on the weekly time frame. I love that we are retesting the beautiful neckline of this left hair right shoulder. If you notice, coincidentally, we have these levels of support here, resistance. Anytime price got to this point, price rejected to the downside, got here, rejected. Price got here again, price held price here, it rejected again. And if you keep going to the left, you keep on seeing that when price was above the same level, price used that same level as support. And when price was below the level, price used it as resistance. So if you now go out to the daily time frame, you would also see that if you look at it on a grand scale, you will see that price. This is also a left head, right shoulder. And I remember I keep telling you that it is very subjective. It just depends on how you want to see it. You can use this as your right shoulder, as your left shoulder. This can be your left shoulder. Um, this can be this is your right shoulder. Anyhow you want to do it, this is your right shoulder. So it's very subjective. It depends on how you want to see it. So it's also bullish on the daily. This is going to be my take profit one because we have some support and resistance levels to the left. Oh my god. We have some support and resistance levels to the left here. So this is going to be my TP1. So you guys should stay tuned. Don't forget to check out the Telegram because I'll be dropping these signals there live. Also, don't forget to check out the Twitter because we also drop some gems there too. So just be checking it because I can drop the signals on any of them. So don't forget to follow them, turn on post notifications because you will know when these trades are going to be ready. This one might most likely be ready on I ready maybe on, should I say, Monday or Tuesday, but most likely Monday. Don't forget to check it out because tomorrow market opens. This is going to get ready. So I'm looking to buy 4 hour is very much bearish. If you notice, the price shifted under this, but then I still know what to do. I was looking to buy. This price can most likely even break out of here, maybe come here. My target bigger tip, maybe a 1 to 4. But then our first basic tip is 1 to 2. So let's see how it goes. We're looking to buy. The next point we have on our list, Euro USD and GBP USD are very much identical. Like they correlate. That's the best word. I don't know if that's the best word, but then I guess it's not such a sad word. On the USD, we have a kind of also a very nice left head, right shoulder on Euro USD. And price is currently retesting the neckline and also retesting a very nice level of support and resistance on the weekly time frame. If you notice this list, we have some bodies, wicks, bodies. If you go to the left, you still have bodies, wicks, and the end time price got to that point, price held up, end time price got to that point, price held to the downside. So it's very nice level of support and resistance. So I'm gonna be looking into my camera. Whew. On the daily time frame is very much bullish. As you all know, this is our low. Higher high, higher low. It just depends on how you want to do it. Higher high, higher low, whatever. You guys know the drill of that part. We had a very nice level of support and resistance on the daily time frame. Price has currently rejected to the upside with a very nice bullish engulfing candlestick to the upside. So do we have one psychological level? Yeah, I think we have one psychological level 1.7, 1.17500, 1.17500, yeah. We have a very nice bullish engulfing candlestick on this Euro USD. So what we wait for right now is maybe 4 hour is bearish too. Just looks very identical with the GBP USD. Looks very much identical. So I'm still waiting for the same thing, looking for buys. So it's gonna be kind of tricky for how I want to buy. Someone got to follow me on Twitter or check out the link in the description below or in my bio, wherever. Check it out. You'll see the link to the free Telegram, very free Telegram. Join the Telegram because we are dropping gems there back to back. So looking for the same buys on this. Yes, but we have GBPCHF that we caught last week. If you all don't know, we caught GBPCHF last week and we kind of won the trade. So I really love the trade. So I like what's setting up again. We are looking to catch another sales to the down trying to catch another sales on this GBPCHF. If they pull back to this point, as you all know, we also journal our trades here on the checklist. This was where I caught this trade I caught here. I think let me view it. This was USD card shorts. I took an L, a very wonderful L on this GBP Sorry, on USD card. Then the next big pair that made us positive for the week was GBP Very beautiful trade. As you all can see, this is the before of the trade, and this is the after of the trade. Yeah, this is the after of the trade. Straight to take profit, you know. So we are just gonna be vibing like that. This week we're looking to sell GBPCHF again. If you notice, we also have this beautiful, we can say these are left head, right shoulder. It's very much subjective. You know, we talked about I don't know, I didn't drop a video last week about the head and shoulders, but then I think it was also there last week. You should bring this out. You can see left head, right shoulder. You put it back. Remember, I said it's very subjective. You can use this as your right shoulder here. This can be your right shoulder. You know, it just depends on you. So I'm looking to sell GBPCHF2 on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is very much bearish, and the weekly time frame is bearish. So we are looking to sell. Very interested in selling GBPCHF. And that is the last but not the least pair. Very beautiful, very simple. I think these are the only reasonable pairs I could find for this week. Other pairs are looking so choppy, tricky, and all that. So don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, on my Telegram at KennyFX, Kenny K3NNYFX. Don't forget to check out the description below to get the link to the Telegram and the link to the Twitter. Everything is there for you for free, free knowledge, free gems. Don't forget to check it out. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.